Hello fans, welcome to my channel again. This is VsmDesigns. Today we are going to learn how to make this classic pocket design. If you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Now let's go straight to the video. Your first target here will be to draw a hexagon or a six-sided polygon. That is a shape that has 6 equal parts. And to achieve this, what I did was to draw 4 squares, 4 boxes of equal size. And this is how I achieved it. And if you must understand this pocket very well, you have to watch till the end of the video. So I first of all drew a line, drew 2 lines like cross, then marked off 3 inches, just as you can see. Then marked off another 3 inches on both sides, making it a total of 6 inches. So I'm going to have a single big box of 6 by 6 inches and made up of 4 boxes of 3 by 3 inches. Then on one of the sides, we are going to divide the box in 2 equal parts. In this case, the 3 inches, 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. You mark it off, mark the second one off as well. Then you are going to repeat exactly the same thing on the side facing the side you've already divided, just as you can see. Now your next task is to join these coordinates. Please, you have to understand that it's not a must that you do it 3 inches. You have to do what fits into your need at any point in time. It can be more or it can be less than the 3 inches. Now we are done with forming the 6-shaped polygon. As you can see, we now have 6 sides. Then you are going to trim off the inner part of the shape, but make sure you are not touching the sides, the lines. Make sure you're not touching the lines. Just trim off the center of the shape. Then I decided to gum it with light paper gum or tissue paper gum. So that the fabric will have strength, and it also helps by the time you are folding, the ending of the notchings we are going to make will be smooth. Some of the times when you don't add gum like this, when you notch and bend, you notice that the ending would be rough some of the times. Then we are going to notch. Make sure your scissors is sharp. You are notching up to the corner. Make sure you notch up to the corner. Just as you can see. The next thing you are going to do is to bend these things off. And as you are bending, make sure that the corners are neat. So now we have neatly formed our shape. The next thing now is to gum a strap. If you check, you find out that the fabric has two faces. They are of different colors, so I'm going to use the reverse color, the reverse side of the fabric, to achieve this. This is what I'm going to use as the border on the pocket, and this is the side, the face of the fabric I will also use for the single welt pocket on the center of the pocket. So now you have to bend it off. You just have to make sure that it is as bold as possible, bold enough so that when you fix it on the pocket, on the edges of the shape, you will still have allowance inside to run the thread, to run thread on it. Please kindly like and share this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be notified. I'm just placing these things so that you will see how it will look like. Now, what we are going to do is to hit the surface. Make sure that your gum is not, the hemming gum is not touching the white gum, the paper gum. Heat up the areas, place your sliced hemming gum on it so that you will not have issues while placing the borders around the shape. Now we are going to fix the borders Of course, you can start from at any point. You fix them gently. Please make sure you watch to the end of the video for better understanding. You must ensure that the borders have equal size. They must have equal size unless you want to do any other design, unless you want to achieve something else. But in this case, the borders must be of equal size, and in this case I'm making it 1/2 inch. Now, because this thing is 6 sides, the last one has to go under the very first one, just as you can see. I'm making them 1/2 inch. You can see. No, I've changed my mind. I feel that the bolder the better. The bolder the borders, the better. So I'm increasing it up to 3/4 inch. That's 0.75 inch. There we are. If you're enjoying this video, please like and share, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. Then you have to heat it up. Remember that we have already placed hemming gum under. So once you heat it up, it gums, and you will not have issues with these borders shifting. That's why you should always make use of hemming gum. Always make use of hemming gum, and not just making use of hemming gum. You should be able to know how to neatly make use of hemming gum. I've already prepared my single welt pocket. I'll drop the link on how to make a single welt pocket on the description box. And in case there's anything you don't understand, feel free to make use of the comment section. Tell us what you think and what you feel about the video and about the design. Now, there's no hard and fast rule on where the pocket should be placed. You can choose to face it at any angle. You can choose to place it however you like, as long as it makes sense. Then we are going to sew from under, just right here. That's where we're going to sew. It will make the pocket look much neater instead of running thread on the outside. Running the thread from inside makes the pocket neater, because you will not see any thread sewn outside. And while raising the fabric, you don't have to be forceful about it, because you know the thing is just being held by a slice of hemming gum. So you have to raise it gently and run your thread. While running the thread, please don't forget to backstitch both at the beginning and the end of the stitching. If you have any question, kindly make use of the comment section, or if you have any suggestion, please make use of the comment section. At this point, you can now trim off the excess fabrics. After trimming, you weave for the inside to be neat. Thank you for watching this video. Always check back for more amazing educational videos that will be helpful to you as a tailor or a fashion designer. Keep learning day by day, because learning never ends. See you on our next video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.